Hello, everyone. I wanted to invite you into my home office. I moved 5 or 6 weeks ago. This is my new space, and I have big plans. I'm really excited about what I'm going to create here. And for the first big project, I have a very special invitation for you to join me. So, for anyone who doesn't know me already, I'm Dana Lavoie. I am an acupuncturist and herbalist and the founder of the Menopause Made Easy with Herbs online program and community. I've been specializing in women's health and helping women through menopause for about 20 years now. And my online program, Menopause Made Easy with Herbs and Community and Herbal Coaching, I've been running this for a few years now, and it's been amazing. I absolutely love it. It's my passion. I love helping women find these customized herbal combinations that change with them as they progress from harmonizing their cycle through perimenopause, managing all the symptoms of menopause, and then managing signs of aging by supporting hormone levels postmenopause. So it's very exciting for me. It's been working wonderfully. I get messages, all the time. I can't believe the herbs are working. I'm sleeping through the night. The hot flashes are under control. It makes my day. And over the past few years, even though the results have been amazing, there's a few things about the program that I want to film in a different way. So I'm going to be creating a new version of the online course, and I want to invite you to create it with me. So anyone who enrolls, who is a student in the existing program, by the end of the day on Monday, which is the last day of my big Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, all my current students will be invited, anyone who wants to join me to workshop with me creating the new version of the course. So all that means is that while you'll have 100% access to the old version of the course, and everyone will get the new one when it's ready, for the next couple of months while I'm creating the new one, you will see everything first. You'll watch the new videos and you'll get on Zoom calls live with me to discuss them. So it's going to be a chance to get on a whole bunch of calls live with me to discuss every aspect of the program. And was there anything in the lesson that you didn't understand how it applied to you, how it would work for you and your hormones and your body? I want to make sure the material is usable for everyone who watches the lesson. So I am going to take this opportunity to get your feedback about anything that wasn't clear and to answer any questions that you have. So talk about Small Business Saturday, right? I am inviting you into my home office to do some work with me over the next couple of months. And I know that if you do, you'll come out of it starting 2022 with this unbelievable understanding of your own hormones and your own energies in your bodies and exactly what to do to create a wellness routine that will support you unbelievably through the next phase of your life. So I'm really excited to do this. It's the kind of thing that only happens once in a while, and it's one of the reasons that I'm having this big Black Friday Cyber Monday sale for anyone joining my herbs program, because this is sort of the last chance to join the old version of the program at the old price. So, for anyone who's interested, just make sure that you enroll by the end of the day on Monday. And it just so happens that you can get in on these incredible Black Friday deals and that you'll still be able to get into this workshop opportunity. So, everyone who's a student will be invited to join the workshop. The only thing you'll need to do is be a member of the student community, which is $9.99 a month, or you can get it included when you enroll. You'll see the different options on the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale page. So there's practically no additional cost for joining the entire workshop series. And so for anyone looking to really get a better understanding what's going on, to really connect with other women in the community, to get to know me better, I can't wait to have you join me. All the details of enrolling right now with the special deals are at danalavoie.com/BFCM for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So go ahead and check out all the details over there, and don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions about the program. We still have time to connect and chat. I'll be checking my messages all weekend, but just make sure to get in. You're going to get lifetime access. You're going to get future updates to the course. You're going to get all kinds of amazing things locked in by joining now at these prices. And then I will see you inside the program. And if you decide to join me in the workshop, I will see you there. So I'm really excited to get to know some of you better, to really find out where you're at with your hormones and your wellness plan, and to help you get everything on track. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Again, I'm Dana Lavoie from DanaLavoieLAC.com, the founder of the Menopause Made Easy with Herbs online program, and I can't wait to meet you. So please send me a message if you have any questions, and I will see you soon. Okay, and okay, so I'm just going to take a minute and go over the incredible Black Friday offers. They're all on that page I mentioned, DanaLavoieLAC.com/BFCM for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. But basically, the first one is just a chance to get in with just the program. You get a month in the student community included, and it's 50% off the regular price of the course. I think it's like $247 for lifetime access. And the price of the course is going to be going up. So it's just amazing. It's usually $497. So you can just get in, you can get access, you can get invited to the workshop. You are just locking that in for life at the most incredible price. The second Black Friday offer is a 6-month coaching program with me. So you're going to get that lifetime access to the program and 6 months in VIP herbal support and coaching with me at 50% off what that would normally cost. And then the third offer is if you want to work with me for the next year, you can get lifetime access to the program, a year in VIP support and coaching, and access to like 6 other courses that I have inside the members area. So you're going to get essential oils, you're going to get diet, you're going to get lifestyle, you get like the weight loss, the immune system care, the sugar detox workshop. It's just like everything you're going to need is just going to be there waiting for you when you need it. I call it the annual everything bundle. So there are 3 options. Oh, and that one is 70% off what you would pay for each thing that's included individually. So it's just an incredible opportunity if you're interested in working with me. I've never done anything like this before. I probably won't in the future. It'll probably be like, 30% off the regular prices or something like that. So this is a really special one because I'm going to be retiring the old version of the course. And there's this opportunity to get in the workshop with me. So if you're interested in kind of jumping in on the ground floor of what's coming next, but knowing that what we're revising has been working incredibly well for like hundreds of women for the past 2 or 3 years, it's a really good time. So contact me with any questions. Be sure to jump in, and I'll see you inside really soon. And again, welcome to my home office. I'm so happy to be here. I've got my plants. I've got my little, finally got some pictures hanging on the wall behind me when I'm filming these videos. It took me forever to do that. I've got a window looking out to the backyard where I will probably be working in the backyard all summer, so you'll see it in the videos. And I just really wanted to welcome you in, welcome you to join me, welcome you to work with me. Even though this is online, I'm really enjoying the connections that I'm creating with women in the online space. So I will see you soon. And like I said, if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to contact me this weekend. All right. Bye for now.